This is jungle, lush, green, alive with incredible growth, as young as day, as old as time. Let me tell you how the jungle itself took the law into its own hands.
People shouldn't live too long in the jungle. Brings out their bad side, their jealousies, their impatience.
Law of the jungle.
Listen, Dina.
What is it?
The jungle. You hear that? Sounds like music.